Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial I want to show you how to make these reindeer headbands for our Luna doll. We already have this one, but we will make this one with this tutorial. We already have a tutorial on this channel to make this little doll Luna. If you haven't seen them, you can find the links in the description of this video. Also, in our website GretaWings.com, you can find the PDF for sale in other languages. You can make as many headbands designs as you like, using this design as a base. So if you want to do it, let's see the materials that we will need. I will use Symphonia brand yarn. It's about 3 millimeters and is 100% cotton yarn. Also, you can find and buy this yarn on our website GretaWings.com. The colors that I will use you can find in the description of this video. I will use brick color yarn and dark brown. Remember that you can use the yarn and the colors that you prefer. Depending on your yarn, maybe the size for this headband will be different. For this yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. I made a single crochet in a form of X. And if you made a single crochet in a form of V, I recommend that you use 2.0 millimeters hook. Also, we need a wool needle, scissors, and this wire. In the description of this video, you can find the link to buy this wire on Amazon, but you can buy whatever wire that you prefer. I only show you exactly that I use. And we will need approximately 5 inches. So let's start. We will start making the headband with the magic rain and then 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can close the magic rain, and from round 2 to 30 we will make 5 single crochet in each round. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You need to make this, and we will continue repeating 5 single crochet in each round until round 30. When you finish the round 30, this is the result. And now you can cut the yarn, leaving a long yarn for close using a wool needle later. But first we need to put the wire. And you can see you can use the size depend of your headband. And I will make this because it's more secure for some child. And now we will put it on this piece. If you want to secure more, also you can do it. We will put it inside. And later, using a wool needle, you can see how I close this headband. It's very easy, only you need to pay close attention. will make the ears using the same color yarn, and on round 1 we will start with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic ring, put some mark, and on round 2 we will make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On round 3, we will start with 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. And now 1 increase. And we will repeat 2 single crochet and 1 increase one more time, and we will finish with 8 points. On round 4, we will start with 1 single crochet. And now 1 increase. We will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times more, and we will finish with 12 points. On round 5 and 6, we will make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round, and the same until round 6. On round 7, we will start with 1 single crochet, and now 1 decrease. We will repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 3 times more, and we will finish this round with 8 points. When you finish this round, you can cut the yarn, leaving yarn for close, secure, and later join with a headband. Pay close attention and you can see how I close this ear. And remember that we need 2 equal ears. And now we will make the horse using dark color yarn, and on round 1 for the first piece we will start with a magic ring and 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic ring, and on round 2 we will make 6 single crochet, but this time taking the back loops only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On round 3 we will make 6 single crochet. This piece will be 3 rounds in total. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until we are 6 and finish this round. We already made 3 rounds. You can cut the yarn, leaving a long yarn for joining later with the another piece. And remember, we need 2 like this one. The piece number 2 will be the same from round 1 to 3, but we will repeat 6 single crochet from round 3 to 10. So 10 rounds in total for this piece is the only difference. And now we will make the union, and pay close attention and you can see how I do this. And remember, we need 2 equal horse. I'm already made 2. And now we will make the union with all of these. Pay close attention, everything is very easy. Now the headbands is ready. I really love it. It's very simple, I think that. So now we can put this headband on our little doll Luna. I hope and you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next tutorial, bye bye.